Prepaid maintenance programs have been around for a very long time. When structured properly, they can be the most effective customer retention program a dealership has ever offered. Let's spend a few minutes highlighting why the Dealer's Choice Preferred Customer Program has been so successful in outperforming the market. The Preferred Customer Program is a self-liquidating maintenance program that not only satisfies the dealers, customers, F&I, and service departments' core needs, it also enhances, reinforces, and creates long-term relationships. Take a look at a quick overview of how PCP performs at a typical dealership. Based on the monthly performance report sent out by our Client Relations Department, which includes a rolling 12 months graphical overview, this dealership has generated 1,815 contracts, services redeemed of 7,295, and pending services to be redeemed of 19,785. The upsell revenue on the 1,698 redemptions this year has been tracked at $151,810, $89 per redemption. It's generated about $649,255 inception to date in measurable upsell revenue for this selling dealership that averages selling about 90 new and used vehicles per month. So, how do you get there? First, a dealership enrolls in PCP, receives their launch kit and training, then starts selling the program. Once customers purchase PCP, they receive a personalized dealership welcome kit in the mail, along with an email thanking them for enrolling in the program. Then, additional automatic email triggers are activated. Customized service department notifications for each service redeemed online, and service reminders based on each customer's individual driving habits to encourage them to come back to the selling dealership for those other valuable services. These automatic triggers alone have made PCP one of the most effective customer retention tools in the market. Our graphic arts and marketing personnel will prepare unlimited, personalized bulk emails for both sales and service. You just need to let us know what message you want sent, and we'll prepare the templates for you to approve before they're sent out. Our client relations staff offers bilingual capabilities with point-of-sale correspondence and phone and live chat support. It's safe to say that over 95% of what were once stumbling blocks that required a phone call are now handled without anyone ever picking up a phone using our live chat support. Along with the customer web portal, the MyPCP iPhone app will greatly boost customer satisfaction and value in this dealer-owned program, further enhancing customer retention. It will give dealerships an opportunity to offer quick specials on the fly and have them sent directly to smartphones and tablets. It will give your customers options to respond to those quick specials, schedule service appointments, and the opportunity to share those specials with friends who may not be a customer. These tools empower the dealership to take full advantage of the growing trends in social media through state-of-the-art portable technology. Our live chat support within PCP paved the way for other growth opportunities with add-on services that focus on critical aspects of the dealership's web presence. Website analysis, which will focus on what keywords your current site is utilizing and how effective they are. 24/7 live chat will be used proactively to engage your site visitors as well as improve customer service. Forrester research shows that an auto dealer will increase their online leads 25% by offering interactive live chat. And website SEO to help position your site to increase traffic through a larger search audience. All of this to increase your web traffic, convert web visitors into qualified leads, and help reinforce other local advertising campaigns. So, what are you waiting for? Call us today and let's get started. Your dealer-owned program is too valuable to not act now.